love the Teepee.
Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, tingle, tingle,
Hey, what's up, millionaires? Mitch Durfee here. It's been a while since I've made a video. Right now, I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida again, except it's actually raining outside right now. And I have a cool project. I want to create a teepee Christmas tree. So I'm going to show you how to create a teepee Christmas tree. Now, the house that I'm in right now is a house that I've been renovating for the last 2 weeks. I actually just got back from Denver, Colorado. We have right now currently 1 flip going on in Denver, Colorado. We have 3 flips going on in Greenville, South Carolina. And we have 2 that we're closing on in St. Louis right now. And I'm flipping and renovating this property. This property we just bought. This is actually going to be my new house, and in the last like 7 days, we've basically gone through, and I'll show you a few things that we've been doing. Actually, this accent wall right here behind us, this little TV wall, I created this, built this little custom TV wall. Over here, actually in this entire house, we did all the floors in here, and we added these cool little dimmer smart switches. But really this project, again, I just want to show you guys, I'm really not sure how I'm going to actually do this, but the idea is that when I was looking for a house to move into, Brooklyn, my daughter, she's 8, there was a house that was staged with a teepee. So there was a teepee in this house, and she really wanted to buy this house only because there was a teepee in the house. Now, you know, when I saw that house, it was a nice house, but it just didn't really have the opportunity. You know me, I'm a flipper. I like to flip houses. I like to add value to houses. That's something that I really enjoy doing. And, you know, so we bought this house. It had luxury vinyl plank floors in it. It was kind of dated. I mean, up here, we still have 1 ceiling light up here that hasn't been changed out. We've gone through, we've added recessed lights, added ceiling fans, and all these like fancy things. Oh, let me show you the bathroom that we're renovating right now too. So this other house was it was a brand new build. It was nice. And here's one of the bathrooms that we're renovating over here. Let's see if I can show you this. It's, there we go. Same flooring as throughout the whole house. And this beautiful tile. I don't want to walk on it because it's still wet from today. The reason I like to buy properties and add value to them is because whatever down payment that I put into the property, a lot of times once I actually add more value with the flooring and redoing the bathrooms and updating the light fixtures and those kind of things, I can actually go back to the bank and do what's called a cash out refinance. And by doing that, I can actually take out a lot of my initial down payment. So that's the reason why I bought this as a renovation instead of buying the new house. Diego. Also, a lot of you guys recognize my good friend, Papi. Oh, there he is, Diego. ¿Cómo está? So he's gonna help me actually with this project. I'm so excited. He's been helping me out with a lot of the painting and a lot of the construction here, and he's helped us out in a lot of the other fix and flips here in Florida. Now today, I've been actually working since for about 12 hours already. And Brooklyn, she went home. She has school tomorrow. Tomorrow's her last day at school, and we're actually moving into this house tomorrow. So tonight, as a surprise, because she loved that house so much that had the teepee in it, when she gets out of school tomorrow and all the furniture is in here from the moving, I'm gonna have a teepee Christmas tree right here. Now, I'm not sure how I'm gonna put it all together. I just have a couple ideas, you know, building a teepee. The other thing is, a lot of this stuff that I'm gonna be building it with is out of materials that I've had just from doing this project. So I'll show you all the materials that I'm gonna put into this teepee Christmas tree. Like I said, and also the tools, so that way if you wanna build one, you can build one yourself. Again, this is a house that we're renovating and fixing and flipping, and if you guys have been following me, I actually bought this house when I was in Denver, Colorado, remotely. So again, one thing I always wanna do is I wanna teach you guys something about real estate before I show you the cool videos. But yeah, a lot of people don't know this. You don't actually have to go to the closing table. In Denver, Colorado, we were actually able to buy this property. The day before that, when we were in Greenville, South Carolina, we closed on another property in Greenville. But yeah, you can actually do what's called either a mail away signing, where you sign your documents for your properties, or you can do a mobile notary where a notary can come out and you can sign those. So yeah, we're moving and shaking. We have 8 flips going on right now, and it's a busy time of year. It's Christmas. Christmas is Sunday coming up here, and actually not only do I have that, I have my mastermind event going on January 5th in Miami, so I'm pretty pumped about that. So all these crazy things are going on right now, including moving into this house and finishing the renovations, all before we move in. But tonight, one thing I remember growing up as a child is my father, he stayed up all night putting together a weight bench, and clearly it paid off. I'm kidding. So I remember my dad staying up all night putting together this weight bench, and that was a good memory for me. And it was a nice surprise that when I woke up in the morning and I saw that, it was just a cool surprise. So I think Brooklyn, I hope you like this video. I hope this creates a good memory for you, a nice core memory that you remember forever, moving into your house, having that dream teepee that you've always wanted, that made you almost want to buy the other house. So this house now is a brand new house after we finish this renovation, and I hope you enjoy the teepee Christmas tree I'm going to put together for you. I love you, Brooklyn, and I can't wait to see your reaction when I finished it. And again, for everyone else that's watching, I'll show you guys everything that we need to build this, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So stay tuned and watch how we build a Christmas tree teepee. Okay, so here is the plan. My plan is we got a skill saw, a tape measure, a speed square, some wire ties, and some electrical pliers, some clamps in case I need to hold things together, a pencil, and a drill, and some screws. So if you don't have any of these tools, I think you can buy all this stuff for like under $100. Over here, got some extra Christmas ornaments, and there's the screws. And then when I was at Home Depot today, I did end up picking up some garland so we can wrap this thing. And over here, you can see that this is actually the same material that we built the accent wall. So right here, this is just leftovers. This is the same material again. I didn't stain these ones. This was extra. Once I figured out how much we were going to use for the wall, we ended up just having a few extras. And then over here, this is 1 by 4 by 6 feet. It's just simple, usually, I don't know, it's just probably like $5 if you guys are looking to buy that stuff. So for the material that you see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you probably have about $60 worth of material there. And then of course the garland decorations, Christmas lights, Brooklyn's old stocking, I'm gonna put that inside somehow, and some felt paper from Hobby Lobby. So that's all you really need. Again, if you're looking to do this entire project and you have nothing, including no tools, you could probably do this entire thing for just under $200. So stay tuned and I'll show you the next part. But before I do that, I gotta get changed into something more Christmassy. All right, so we have the frame built here. It took about maybe 15 minutes, broke a little bit of a sweat, but here's basically what we have. So we built the little box down here, so that way this wouldn't go out any further. And then in the corners, what we did was we actually just braced the corners, so that way it stays square. And then we did these little cross beam sections here on both sides. And up top, we added one more little cross piece here. So it's coming together. The next phase, we're gonna be decorating it. And basically, that's what it looks like. Not bad for 15 minutes. All right, now the fun part. Here we go. All right, so just finished this thing up. Tomorrow, I'm probably gonna change out the blanket so it looks a little nicer. And you know, I'll clean all this stuff up here, maybe, because right now it's just kind of lashed over it. So put some presents and maybe some other garland. Ran out of garland on it, so I did about 150 feet. Probably next time I would go for maybe 300-400 to be able to actually get this thing all wrapped up. But I actually kind of like it. So again, what we basically did was we built a little base around a third of it, and we added some quarter pieces in, wrapped it with felt, and this right here is my favorite piece. Got Vermont, that's where Brooklyn was born, so I think she'll really like that. And tomorrow, I'll film the reaction. I think she's gonna like it. I'm pretty pumped about it, so we'll see what happens, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. It took a total of about an hour and 10 minutes to do the whole thing. That's with wrapping it and decorating it, but I'm pretty pumped on the way it came out. All right, millionaires, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.
I love the Teepee.